Hi, how should you structure a good idea for a project? I'll explain with a pitch. In a pitch we have a stone, pulp and skin. The stone represents the core values of my project, the reason why it makes sense for it to come to life. It answers the question, why do I want to do what I have in mind? For example, I love paintings, and my core idea is to promote contemporary Italian paintings all around the world. Since this pitch will eventually be hidden by someone, it could be really useful to imagine who is going to take a bite. In other words, we can already decide on a target. I may think about curators, galleries, artists, general public. Once I start to define the project, the answer needs to be really clear. Now back to my example. Let's go to the pulp, the main part, ready to be bitten. What exactly I'm going to do and how? In this case, I'm going to expose the artworks of a museum outside in a public square, so that everyone can see those amazing Italian contemporary paintings. Or I could also create a digital installation to reproduce them on buildings. And that's when I start thinking about the how. Do I need a specific technology, a partner or a consultant for my project? Of course, what I decide at this point won't be final, but I need to form a first idea. I will probably need an agreement with the director of the museum, a design manager to plan the setup, and many other technical operators. If everything has worked out so far, we can move to the skin. This is what actually people will see, but it's just the tip of the iceberg. It represents appearance, marketing, communication. And here is when we finally need a strategy. We have to choose how we want to appear to our clients and what kind of image we want to build. Are we going for ordinary display advertising, digital campaign, or something more complex? Let's return once more to our example. Say I decide to do this amazing installation. What are the most effective or disruptive ways to make it known to the world? What do people expect from me, and how am I going to meet their expectations? Now everything is finally planned. And what about you? What is your pitch? Watch the other videos to get some more tips on how to improve your project. And thank you for listening.